Welcome back to the Qt Developer. Let's take a look at how to create a console app. Fairly simple. Go up to the File menu, click on New Project, choose Qt Console Application, and then just follow the prompts. Now I've already gone through all this, so now let's take a look at the actual code itself. So we're now taking a look at the code. Here we are. This main function is made with two parameters, the argument and the argument points. So this is a vector of commands, and this is the number of commands that we can enter. So the Qcore application starts by calling this method, the constructor. Take a look at this. This is what it's doing in here. It calls this Qcore application, and it's passing an int along with those command arguments. And if you look at the arguments, here they're basically a string list of arguments. So let's go back to the main application. When that application is finished, the exec command gets called, and when that's called, it exits. So now let's try something simple. First thing we want to do is we need to be able to output to the console. Well, there's a number of ways. We could use the standard output. However, since we're using Qt, and Qt is great, we're going to use Qt or QDebug. So I'll need to go ahead and include QDebug. There it is. And so now, when I want to actually use QDebug, whoops, I forgot the B. When I want to use QDebug, we use that insertion. And let's say test from Qt console. Whoops. QDebug. There we are. Now, I'll go ahead and run this. So when I go ahead and run it, we can now see here is the output. So coming back at the code, now let's take a look at one more thing. Okay, now let's actually take a look at the application we made. Let's test it out in the terminal. So here we are. Run that console, and there it is. So now we have a console application. It's pretty neat. So this is a basic use of a console application. Let's go ahead and create some more on these. Stay tuned for some future videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts or comments, please share them.